I've got to love myself in order to break it well. What is waiting on me? Let me take a piece of your tune. Never try to take a piece of your tune, Lion. And it's a Tuesday, rolling down the highway, smoking up some high grade. Here comes the highway patrol, and it's a Tuesday, rolling down the highway, smoking up some high grade. Here comes the highway. Alright, you know what? You know what she want me to do? She want me to tell him a story. So see why? Play me tell him. It was a Friday. See why? Pull it up. Pull it up. As I ganja smoke more time in the streets and things raging. You know, so we have some good police in the streets. You believe it? It was a Friday. See why? You know see why? Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Like how they jam me on see why? Cause me I sing too long now, you know. So watch this now. Play my rhythm and see why. Friday, I'm gonna give them sweet and done. Neat and done. I set me up. Yeah, see why? You don't like it, you know. You know how there's no to set me up. Why? Hey, wanna listen me scenario. Hey, Villa, what time some things reach me on the street, me have to talk. I went here, you know where go on, went here. Alright, here we go on. It was a Friday, rolling down the highway, smoking up some high grade. Here comes the highway patrol. It was a Friday, rolling down the highway, smoking up some high grade. Here comes, I see why, play a little bit one. And them say, son, now you're smoking so much. We really thought the car was burning up, and I say, no, it was only a small puff from the real high grade where you know we lost so much. Him say, alright then, let's get the thing rolling. I need to walk a split, even though I'm patrolling. It's against the law, but this law will be broken. I need to get high in the cloud, I wanna be floating. It was a Friday, rolling down the highway, smoking up some high grade. Patrol, it was a Friday, rolling down the highway. Hey, see why? Play low, me tell him how reach me. I don't believe that the policeman pulled me over. I'm straight to me gone to jail. I don't want me tell you what the officer do. Hey, watch me go on now. One giant take the officer in start choke up. Beat him chest say loyal, you got the right stuff. Don't make it out, please keep it light up. Just a few jars, make me day bright up. Hey, him say, love the aroma with them, your high grade. We don't need no cologne. Him say, squad it, please pass me phone. But tell the Prime Minister legalize the ganja. It was a Friday. East. My God. Where the hard-working people them never there in a villa. More time some people are putting the work and we not get no result, but just keep working. Let me tell you what me at about. You know where we work? Here we go on. Rain and fall, me not no food for me table. Woman not breathe and you know say me not stable. No, can't pay for light me that thing. Me say any work I work. See why me gonna say every time. I don't like artists and me know how much get on me general them. You know we gonna say more to tell the people them again. Here we go on. Rain and fall, me not no food for me table. Woman not breathe and you know say me not stable. No, can't pay for light me have to bridge a little cable. Water commission and look for me and me not able now. Me say I serious time. Cool man about me God just can't buy. And then me weak, the food price rise. Hungry mouth to feed and all me baby I cry. So I'm working now. Big up all hard work in the youth of Jamaica. Whoa. Rest of me alone, name was my boss. Big up yourself every time, alright? But you know, what would I do without your smart? my money will stay and we listen. I think it will resonate a little faster. I want them to know what we are talking about. Music for the people them. Watch it. Samoja, we've been working now. Yeah, boy. Don't pull up, tell the people them again. I tell them, keep focus. It ain't no joke. Yo. Yeah, man. Wait, see why? We say real music for real people. More time we live with life, people. And it's like we see things that go on, don't feel like we can't do nothing about it. But if I one worry you talk to and him listen, I want more worry that we make the thing right. No. Some of you go and talk to the people them until one man get it. Till the next one man get it. Watch it. Say right now I've been working now. Yeah, boy. Some of them, me brother, make up for yourself. Alright, tell them, keep focus. It ain't no joke now. Keep focus, and you will go further. Keep focus. It ain't no. I wonder if you know me talk about. Me not burn no fire for nobody. Me just attack the truth. Right now me said the bleaching things say that not necessary. Ain't that two pants skin say that not necessary. You bore your nose and your chin say that not necessary. And your skin and neighboring say that not necessary. Be my grade go buffering that not necessary. And all these drugs and gun things say that not necessary. You live your life. See why? Somewhere else. You know what's going on? I know you got it. You don't ever lose a loved one or a friend and find yourself in our mindset like you don't know what to do. Like you don't lost in the mindset and a stress and a depressed. You don't know me need my stress them people. If you lose a loved one or a friend and you're not afraid to cry when you feel to cry, make me cry for no then. See your wife and the people them. Samoja tell them again me Sunday. Say now you know when he mark up. Oh you bad so? Oh you bad so? Yeah man. Me lose my good friend him get occupies him. And that inspired me to write this a song. Watch it. Listen now. Run a feel already now. Watch out now right now, me Sunday. Give me one day. When he might come and I hear no calling, all you hear a morning I'm balling, me Sunday. Say now, give me one day. When he might come, see why me have a message, so play low, me pray the message. Watch the message, alright. Listen, make use of life. Don't you waste it, you don't know when me said it. I come to erase it. We all have problems, we got to face it. But the memories, you cannot erase it. Just don't make it get you down. That's the basic rule. When dealing with your problems, your life, we try to protect it. No matter when the lose start, the lose thing, no make it alright. It seems like you get it. Future look bright, alright. You are gonna make it, just don't get drawn out. Watch out now. Let's check. Think easy, you. Alright, hold them in you. Hold them in a singer. You don't have to hold them in general. We can't unless. Hold. You ever in a situation, Samoja, I want to get out. I don't know how to get out. Hold on, brother, man. You talk about, I could have a stressful relationship. Yeah. Stressful car. Yeah. I could have shot and stress your brother. Yeah, brother. I don't feel stress sometimes, no matter what the stress want me, I where to come from. Let me show you something. Let me teach you the mindset of the going on. Drop it. Watch it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me say if you're in a situation and you want it out, bitch. Again, don't be afraid to cry. When the emotion take over, watch it. Me go so then I me say loyal flex. See you I turn up the tune. I some out and me say we gonna referee.
There's some boys over there.
Yeah, man. Say it could be a stressful relationship. A stressful job. You have to hold on for the infection. Pull it up. You have to hold the infection. I remember say loyal kind of one of the perfectionist. I'm easy. Alright. So the Stars Tuesday. I'm there for the first appearance, right? And the first one, no. So for the people them, watch out now, some more that tell the people them, I mean say loyal flex. Round a villa already know. Watch out now, right now we are go referee. From all them chains and them shackles, the bangles say I go on. Up on we brain. Let low let me talk with the people that it's been a while. We been living like this. So living in our minds, taking program like a chip and it's not right. But when you can't make a choice, how can it be for me and you decide? Oh no, I wanna take control, live my life and play my role. Oh no, don't try hold me down. I see why make up yourself, but you know me I go. Yeah, man.
When you find this, chop it again. I'm scared for that.
That was loyal flex.
Yeah.